So Foxfoxfan, you wanted bird number 1? This one? That's a dude for your gender. Lovable bird. Oh, his brother's over there in the background. So you wanted this bird, right? Tell me the color of the bird, and if this one's right, please comment yes. My bird's over there sleeping, being a butthead like he usually is. Ugh, my voice hurts. I'm gonna touch your head like that. Look at that! For once in his life, he actually wasn't mad. Well, Foxfoxfan, please answer. If that is your bird of the choice for National Bird Day, then there you go.